What's good, family? I'm back from vacation, which only means one thing. We back in the stoop working again. This time I got a little bit more tan, you feel me? Y'all might not be feeling the absence because low-key I was posting videos left and right while I was gone. This is like 10 days after I filmed all those videos and I'm back with another one. In this video we're gonna be going over the KAWS UNIQLO collection. I actually ended up picking up everything from the collection except the book and the tote, which I am gonna be looking out for whenever I do see it online or in stores. I'm gonna keep checking for it, but I picked up all 3 tees and both crew necks. I'm gonna try them on in this video for y'all. If you do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see. Low-key, I feel refreshed, I feel ready to go. It's time to get back to it, so make sure y'all subscribe. Giveaway for the Jordan 1 Low Black Toes is ending soon, so make sure y'all enter. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, follow NORI, DM me proof. That way when I select a winner, you won't be disqualified. You will be able to choose your size for a pair of Jordan 1 Low Black Toes. But let's get into the KAWS collection. First things first, we have the white crew neck, which is the only piece I got in store at Disney Springs. Shout out to Bay actually, because she got this one for me. This one has the KAWS figure swimming on the front. I grabbed this one in an XL, KAWS figure swimming on the front. On the back, you have the KAWS figure floating down the stream with the sun on top. I think this one's actually pretty hard. I was just scared to grab it initially because of the color on this one, but it's still a clean ass piece. I'm gonna throw it on for y'all real quick. This is what the XL looks like on. I think this is a clean ass piece. Definitely gonna pull it out on the right occasion because I'm scared to wear white. Probably with like a little jacket or a vest over it just to protect it a little bit more. But there's the KAWS on the front, as well as the KAWS figure on the back. Let me know in the comments if this was one of the pieces you ended up buying or if you skipped on this one. I also did end up getting my online order. In this one I have 4 pieces, 3 tees and 1 crew neck. I'm actually a little scared on one of these pieces because I thought I grabbed an XL for this white one and it's a large. I'm gonna try this one first just because of that, to be honest. I love the fact that it's simple. On the front has the 2 KAWS X's, then on the back it has the KAWS figure laying down. Low-key trying to get freaky deaky, I'm not even gonna lie. I love the way this one looks. I feel like with the Travis's pink laces on them, this will be a clean, simple fit to throw on. I'm excited that you could go to the stores and just pick these up. So if this doesn't fit me in a large, I'm a deadass pull up to my Uniqlo and pick this up in a size XL. I'm not even gonna take the tag off. Let me try this one on. This one could fit me, but if I slip up and put it in the dryer or some shit, it won't fit me no more. So that's not really what we trying to do. I'm low-key gonna go get this in the XL just to have that little bit of wiggle room, and I also do like my pieces fitting a little bit on the bigger side. So this one's a dub. The design's actually clean though. I love the simplicity of it with the X's on the front. Figure on the back is pretty clean too. I love the fact that they brought back the KAWS UNIQLO collections because it's something that's readily available. If you want it, you could go grab it. They not cracking necks and it's great materials at the same time. Definitely recommend. If you guys are interested in any of these pieces, go get them, bro. They're affordable, clean, it's still kind of hyped in a way, and the materials are there at a good price. You literally can't beat it. Next we got probably my favorite tee, not just because it's a black tee. Design on it is definitely my favorite by far. I did get this one in XL, so we will see the size difference. This one has the KAWS figure hugging its baby low-key. On the back you have the 2 KAWS X's. This is a banger, bro. I love this shirt. I'm glad I actually managed to pick this one up. When I first was checking out on the website, this one was selling out, so I kept refreshing and eventually it loaded in my size. That's when I completed my purchase. I low-key wasn't gonna buy shit if I didn't get this one right here. But let me try this one on real quick. Let me know if this is the piece you were going for or what you ended up picking up from the KAWS UNIQLO. Also, if you've been debating it and that's why you're watching this video. For me, the XL definitely fits way better. I think these tees kind of run on the smaller side though. Normally XL fits me oversized and this is more like a fitted shirt, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's still going through Asian sizing. No offense, but I feel like when it is converted, normally those sizes run a little bit smaller. Maybe I'm tripping. This is what it looks like, the XL. Y'all know Supreme be dancing on me in the XL, so that's kind of what I'm basing it off of. All that aside though, the design is beautiful. I love this tee. I'm glad I picked it up. I might even double up on this one and just store it for when this one becomes old type shit, because these will never release again. Pricing is on point. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, these KAWS UNIQLO tees are a good way to spice up your outfits. You could could throw some shit together with this tee, and it's simple, it's subtle, but it just works. This is what the front of the tee looks like, and you also have the KAWS X's on the back. Beautiful piece. I'm actually really glad I got this one. The next and final tee is the KAWS Swimming in the Waters tee. This is a size XL as well. Kind of just gonna compare how this fits versus the pink one that I got. It already looks bigger, bro. It's the same design we got on the crew neck with homie swimming. This one just has more color, and on the back you could definitely see the color. Swimming in the blue waters. I actually really love this tee right here, especially like this. I think the crew neck is hard as but when you throw the different colors on the water, it just makes it pop a little bit more. Let's see what this one's looking like on body. Yeah, it's a night and day difference with the XL. I just feel more free, like more flowy in this one. So I definitely am gonna swap that large for an XL. I'm gonna just have to pull up to the mall one of these days. But y'all pretty much saw the tee already. We got the KAWS figure swimming on the front, and he's also swimming on the back, you feel me? KAWS loves swimming. Low-key, I was the KAWS figure about 4 days ago. I was in the pool chilling, getting tan, bro. Y'all see the vibes. But now it's all over and it's time to work again. So it is what it is. I'm back in the stew, unfortunately, but not unfortunately, because I kind of want to work. Obviously, I have goals and a vision that I gotta complete, but sometimes you need a little break. It just is what it is. This was the last tee that I got. I got the other crew neck, and this one is a size large. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I think the crew neck should be straight in the large. I just can't shrink this one. Being this is the large crew neck, hopefully this one fits me. I love the fact that this has the KAWS X's embroidered on the back. I think that's a clean ass touch for the crew neck. Front is printed, which is cool. I just think the back definitely sets it off for the crew neck. I think this was the piece that my girl ended up picking up as well. She loved this one, and I see why, bro. This is a hard ass piece. I normally never grab the sweaters or the crew necks that they release. I'm gonna be honest, I had to crack the $100 online so I could get free shipping as well as $10 off. So I'm like, bro, I might as well just do this and buy the crew neck rather than pay for shipping and not get $10 off, if that makes sense. So I ended up getting the crew neck for like half off. This one is a size large, so once again, I'm a little scared. I gotta see what's going on. It fits pretty good, bro. I'm still debating if I'm a size up on the crew neck. I feel like it's clean, but I typically like my crew necks fitting way oversized. That's just the way that I like them. I guess I'll have to see, you know. I don't know yet. I might end up exchanging this one for an extra large just so I can have that little bit of room. The design itself is definitely beautiful. Probably my favorite piece out of the whole collection. I love this design so much that I ended up getting the tee and the crew neck. I still feel like this is a little bit better since we are getting into fall, winter. You could throw this on with a little light jacket on top and be straight. I don't know how much I'm gonna be wearing tees, but definitely when spring comes back around, I will have these tees loaded up to rock, you feel me? Here's what the front of the crew neck is looking like, and that's what the X's are looking like on the back. I love the tone of thread that they chose for the X's. It's almost like this taupish brownish color. I think it looks fire. That's pretty much it for the entire KAWS UNIQLO collection. I didn't manage to get the book or the tote like I said at the beginning of the video. I will be trying to see if I can pick those up eventually. Out of all the pieces, my favorite is definitely this design. I love the tee and the crew neck. I honestly like all of them. More than likely, I will be exchanging this tee for an XL, and I'm debating if I want this in an XL as well, because I typically shrink my crew necks when I throw them in the dryer. So I want to have that little bit of leeway for that to be a possibility, because I'm not going to be checking every time I wash my clothes for this crew neck, if that makes sense. But that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. There's more early sneaker content on the way, I promise. I'm trying to get my hands on a couple early pairs right now so I could be set for these weeks to come. If y'all enjoy the content, please go ahead and subscribe. We got more stuff on the way. Also, click the link at the top of the description so you can enter on the Jordan 1 Low Black Toe giveaway. That's gonna be ending real soon, so hey, all you have to do is leave a like, subscribe, follow 1.nori on Instagram, and DM me proof that you follow the steps. That way I don't disqualify your ass when it's time to pick a winner. I love y'all. Spend some time with your loved ones, because we don't know how much time we got left on this earth. Enjoy every day like it's your last, for real. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Till then, watch one of these 2 videos, because that's what YouTube is recommending you based on what you've been watching, bro. YouTube knows your history, even if you're trying to hide it, and they think these are one of the videos that you might like from my channel. So I'll catch you there. Peace.